Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video, we're opening up another Ipsy Glam bag. So let's get in and let's get into the bag. All right guys, welcome back. So yes, another Ipsy Glam bag, and this one is gonna be for the month of November. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy Glam bag is a monthly subscription for $12, and what you get is you get sample size items. You do get full size. You may, yes, get a full size product in that bag, and also like deluxe size products. So it definitely is a variety, and it's supposed to be based on your beauty preferences. And the beauty of the Ipsy Glam bag is they now give you the option to choose an item. So you get to choose what's coming in the bag. So it's totally not a surprise, but it's just one item that you get to choose. So sorry, my dog passed and it threw me off. All right, so let's get into the bag. So if you don't know, it always comes in a bag like this. This is super new, but it comes in this bag, and I did unloosen it, so I'm not here stuck waiting minutes to try to get into the bag here. But let's see, and always double check inside of here. Sometimes there's things that are outside of your bag. So just in my case, there is something outside of my bag. So this is actually the product that I chose for the month, so you guys can see that here. This is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This is, I needed a night cream. So this is in transforming moisturizer super cream. So that is what that looks like there. And then let's see what the package looks like here. And like I said, it's sample and deluxe size products. So this is what the cream looks like. I've never tried this cream myself before, so that's what that is. Let me see if there's a description. They do usually give you a description, which is here, so this is perfect. So it's kind of a trick because it's indented, so it's not actually that amount, but we will digress. This is 0.237 fluid ounces here in the United States. So let us see. And it definitely smells good. So that is what that looks like in there. So not bad at all. So let me see. Let me give you guys some more information on this one. It says, wondering where your glow went? Find it with the super cream from It Cosmetics. It's made with collagen, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, colloidal oatmeal, shea butter, and super ceramide complex to hydrate, plump, nourish, and calm your complexion. This says, tip for best results: apply a pea-sized amount of moisturizer to clean skin in the morning and evening, using upward sweeping motion smoothly, gently on face, neck, and chest. So that is number one. So that was outside of the bag. And then every month you do also get a makeup bag, which is super cool. This one is the way that this looks. It's kind of like that animal print, and it has like fringes here, and every month has like a different theme. So you see that little tag there for Ipsy. That's what that looks like. So then that is what the inside looks like there. Let me show you guys really quick so you guys can see that there. So it's brown. So that's what that looks like there. So the next item we have here, what is this? What is this? Okay, so this is, it says here, this is the Balm Cosmetics Mary Dew Manizer. Totally probably saying that wrong, but it says, we're all about keeping beauty fun. The Balm Cosmetics does just that with quirky packaging and quick fix products. This glow boosting champagne gold liquid highlighter adds instant radiance to your cheekbones, inner eye, and Cupid's bow, and it's great for all skin tones. Tip: get creative with this multitasking product. Dub on a highlight anywhere on your face, or mix with moisturizer, primer, or foundation to add luminous sheen to your complexion. So let us see how this one looks for sure. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this one. I haven't yet, but we will see. That's what it looks like there. You guys can kind of see it there, so I'm sure you can. Kind of like a goldish tone, like it says. So there you go. So I have that. So that's 2 down, 3 more to go. The next here is, what is this? What are you? This is from, okay, this is from Scone Cosmetics. This is Insanely Intense Tattooed Mini Eyeliner in Jet Black. So you guys, and I'm not gonna open this up because I may actually put this in our first giveaway. It says, when it comes to stain power, Scone Cosmetics highly pigmented products take the cake. This inky black waterproof liner lasts all day, no smudging or fading, and features a fine felt tip that's easy to control, whether you're creating bold wings or feline flicks. And then it says tip, give this liner a shake first, hold the application at slight angle and trace it close to your lash line. Wing it up, out, and to your outer eye, corner, and wing look. Totally probably messed that up, but that is what that is here. So definitely make sure you're subscribed because we are gonna have a future giveaway really, really soon. And then the next item here we have is Lock Color Good Foundation. So it looks like this is, oh, this is BB foundation. So you see that there? That is what that is. And this brand draws from K Beauty and NYC Vibrant Energy, and you'll enjoy the best of both worlds with this innovation foundation BB cream hybrid. Made with hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, and collagen, it hydrates, smooths, and calms skin while providing lasting full coverage. This is a tip. It says apply a generous later. Maybe it says meant lather, but it totally says later to your face and blend well with a brush, sponge, or fingertips for extra sheer coverage. Warm between fingertips before applying. Warm it. I guess you're supposed to warm it. But let us take a look and see. I'm gonna put that to the side. Let me see how if this matches. BB creams could be really, really crazy because sometimes they're hard to match. That's why I like getting things like this, because this one does match. You can't really see it, which is good. At least it's not going to be looking kind of crazy. You ever get like that two-tone face? That is not the look you want. So it matches my skin tone. So hopefully it definitely matches my face. So that's cool. And then last but not least, we have something from Verify. This is, what is this? It's hard to see there, but you guys can probably see it. This is Verify Skincare Power Trip AHA Facial Serum. So this is serum basically. It says, talk about your girl power. Verify Skincare was founded by women in STEM, science, tech, engineering, and math. So you know this serum delivers results. It uses AHA, great for acne-prone skin, arnica, calendula, and more to exfoliate, hydrate, calm, and smooth skin's texture in one step. One tip it says is to apply face serum once a day to cleanse dry skin. Massage 1 to 2 drops of a product onto your face in an upward motion, avoiding the eye area. I love skincare, so usually I prefer those items better than like the makeup items, because I know this is something I'm going to use every day. Makeup, because I work from home, I don't tend to use that every day, so I don't get a lot of use out of it, but I totally love makeup. So we will see what this one smells like here, just to make sure. Okay, and it has like it doesn't really have a scent to it. It doesn't really have a scent to it, so I'm definitely down for that one. I love serum, love skincare, so I'm down for that. Let me know if you guys got any of the products that I received this month, but let's do a recap so we can see if it was worth it. So one of the items we got, of course, is the bag, and then we have the product from It Cosmetics. We have the night moisturizer, which is the item I chose. I needed it, so goes good with the serum, right? So then we have the serum, and then we have the BB cream. We also have the highlighter, which is perfect. And then we have the eyeliner, which is going for a future giveaway. So if you think about it, that was perfect, right? So what did you guys think? And I'll put all the products so you guys can see if it was worth it in the description box below. There'll be a full breakdown of the retail value so you guys can see if that was worth it this month. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of this bag. Was it worth it? Was it not? Did you get the same items? What did you guys get? Definitely let me know. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another video. So have a good day, guys.